Imagine a store that truly knows you, not just your name, but your unique style. This is the incredible power of artificial intelligence, or AI, working its magic in the world of e-commerce. It's changing everything we thought we knew about online shopping. It's making the impossible possible. And it's happening right now, all around us. But what if that frustration could simply melt away? What if your online shopping experience felt less like a chore and more like a delightful discovery? Well, good news. AI is making that happen. It's transforming the digital marketplace, making it smarter, more intuitive, and so much more personal for everyone involved. Think of AI as having a super smart, incredibly efficient, and wonderfully insightful personal assistant. And the best part? This assistant is available for every single one of your customers, 24/7. Get ready to be inspired. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is this AI we keep talking about? Let's break it down simply. Think of artificial intelligence as sophisticated computer systems. These systems have the remarkable ability to learn from data. They can analyze information, recognize patterns, and even make intelligent decisions. In many ways, they can mimic human thought processes, but they operate at a speed and scale that humans simply can't match. In the bustling world of e-commerce, AI is far more than just a trendy buzzword. It helps online businesses understand their customers on a much deeper level than ever before. It helps them streamline their operations, making everything run more smoothly and efficiently. Ultimately, it helps them grow and succeed in a competitive market. The future is here for everyone. Remember the charm of walking into your favorite local neighborhood shop? The owner probably knew your name, your preferences, your usual purchases. Well, artificial intelligence is bringing that same wonderful, bespoke experience to the vast, often impersonal world of online shopping. It's creating a digital storefront that feels like it was designed just for you. So, how does this AI magic actually work to personalize your shopping? It all comes down to data, and AI's ability to analyze it intelligently. AI algorithms sift through enormous amounts of information. This includes your past purchase history, the items you've browsed or added to your wish list, and even products you've clicked on but didn't buy. It also looks at what other shoppers with similar tastes and behaviors have bought. This meticulous analysis results in a uniquely tailored shopping experience for every single customer. No more sifting through pages of irrelevant, generic suggestions that don't resonate with you. Instead, you are presented with products and offers that genuinely align with your interests and needs. This transforms online shopping from a potentially tedious task into an enjoyable journey of discovery. Personalized recommendations, powered by AI, directly boost sales figures. The power of personalization with AI extends far beyond just showing relevant product suggestions. It's about crafting the entire customer journey, making it unique and engaging for each individual. Imagine visiting an e-commerce website where the layout subtly changes to highlight categories you prefer. Or picture receiving marketing emails where the featured offers and even the imagery are specifically picked to match your known style and past interactions. AI can enable the creation of dynamic content across your entire online presence. This means product descriptions can be automatically adjusted to emphasize features a particular customer segment cares most about. Special promotions, new arrivals, or limited time offers can be strategically highlighted based on individual browsing behavior and purchase history. This ensures that every interaction a customer has with your brand feels relevant, timely, and special. Think about the search functionality on your website. When a customer searches for summer vacation outfits, AI can do more than just show all items tagged with those words. It can prioritize styles they've shown an affinity for in the past, or brands they frequently purchase. Section 5. Inventory Intelligence AI. Keeping your shelves perfectly stocked. Have you ever faced the frustration of running out of your most popular items right when demand is peaking? Or on the flip side, being stuck with piles of unsold stock that nobody seems to want, tying up your valuable capital? Effective inventory management is undeniably one of the biggest challenges for any e-commerce business, big or small. Getting it wrong can significantly impact your profits and customer satisfaction. This is precisely where artificial intelligence steps in as a powerful ally, bringing intelligence to your shelves. AI possesses the remarkable ability to predict future demand with a level of accuracy that was previously unimaginable. How does it do this? It meticulously analyzes vast data sets, including your historical sales figures, looking for patterns and seasonality. It also considers current market trends, what's buzzing on social media, and even external factors that might influence purchasing behavior. Think about upcoming holidays, predicted weather changes, or even major cultural events. It's like having an incredibly insightful crystal ball specifically for your stockroom operations. Section 6. Streamlining Operations, the AI Efficiency Boost for E-commerce. Efficient inventory management supercharged by artificial intelligence does so much more than just save you money on overstock or prevent lost sales from understock. Its benefits create a positive ripple effect that can be felt across your entire e-commerce operation, boosting overall efficiency. Think for a moment about your valuable warehouse space. When your inventory is optimized, it means your warehouse space is also optimized. This translates to less clutter, better organization, and a more streamlined environment for your team to work in. Now, let's consider the crucial fulfillment process, getting those orders picked, packed, and shipped to your eager customers. Knowing precisely what inventory you have, exactly where it's located, and what's needed to fulfill incoming orders can dramatically speed up this entire workflow. AI can even help in planning more efficient warehouse layouts. It can optimize the picking routes for your staff, guiding them to items in the most logical sequence. All of this contributes to faster processing and shipping times. And faster shipping always leads to happier, more satisfied customers. Section 7. Unlocking Minds, Gaining Deep Customer Insights with AI. Do you feel like you truly deeply know your customers? What are the things they absolutely love about your products or services? Conversely, what are their biggest frustrations or pain points when interacting with your brand? What unspoken needs or desires do they have that you could potentially fulfill? Artificial intelligence can provide you with the tools to answer these critical questions. It can offer insights with incredible depth and clarity. AI-powered tools are capable of analyzing truly vast amounts of customer-generated data from a multitude of sources. This includes customer reviews left on your website or third-party platforms, comments and mentions on social media channels, transcripts from customer service chats or calls, and even subtle behavioral data, like how they navigate through your website pages. AI excels at spotting intricate patterns, correlations, and emerging trends within this data. These are often insights that a human analyst, or even a team of analysts, might easily miss due to the sheer volume and complexity. AI uncovers those hidden gems of information. Section 8. Data to Decisions, Making AI Insights Actionable for Growth. Gathering customer insights through AI is valuable. The transformation happens when you translate those insights into strategic actions. AI tools help you understand and prioritize data, intersecting smart strategy with technology for growth. Use actionable information to make tangible improvements, showing customers you care about their experience. Section 9. Embrace the future. Your AI-powered e-commerce journey starts now. The world of e-commerce, as we all know, is constantly evolving, and it's evolving at a breathtaking pace. Artificial intelligence is no longer some far-off, futuristic dream confined to science fiction novels or research labs. It is a present-day reality. It's a tangible, accessible, and incredibly powerful tool that has the genuine potential to completely transform your business for the better. My friends, it is truly time to embrace this wave of change. It's time to unlock the amazing full potential that lies within your e-commerce venture. The opportunities are immense. Just take a moment to think about the incredible benefits we've discussed. Imagine offering deeply personalized shopping experiences for every single one of your customers, making them feel uniquely valued. Picture having smarter, more predictive inventory management that saves you money and keeps customers happy. Envision possessing a much deeper, more nuanced understanding of what your audience truly wants and needs from you. These are not just small, incremental improvements, are they? These are genuine game changers.